Yeah, people, the diplomat celebrating Earth Strong. Yeah, so Shenyang say condolences. You know what I mean? Yeah. And drop that big song. Yeah. Spice, 25 years. Magnum, big up on herself. She deserve it. Tifa says she not do it again. She not doing it.
Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Yeah, people, you don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear. And I'm here to bring you DRV news. Yeah, so this day, may I tell you, big up the diplomat. Yeah, the Virgo diplomat. So, him pop one champagne, yeah, to celebrate his Earth Strong. You know what I mean? I don't know that's something they go on up at Dubwise Cafe. You see me? And him friend them they up there, him fans them they up there. I know the patrons, you know what I mean, the whole movements they up there. Zine. But for an individual who has such an ethic, work ethic, yeah, big up to the eye. Cause I don't know, he's also a friend. He's also a son. You know what I mean? I don't know if him get no youth yet. He's also a father. You see me and say? Whole heap of energies being an individual with such an work ethic. But still find the time for all our vibes. You know what I mean? With him fans and him friends them round a one place. And then slew out, spit out one would I say now, lion lag a hit song. Cause I'm a cat a lag, cat too little. You see me I say? One lion lag a hit song. Fi the fans them and him friends them. And me I tell you.
Look back at 25 years. You not even reach a day over 25.
Wow, looking back at 25 years, let's be very clear. It's because I started when I was young. It's not because I'm old. I started when I was a teenager. So I'm looking back right now. I don't even know if I have words to kind of describe to you how elated I am. I'm so humbled. I'm so grateful. I'm celebrating 25 years because of you, the people who have been supporting me. And so I just feel like I want to thank everyone, first of all, for the unwavering support. But looking back at 25 years, it makes me feel proud of myself.
So that one a Lord. I want to say that one a Lord. You know, female artists, dancehall artists, Spice. 25 years now, shall do it. For all who never know. You know what I mean? So yeah, them call her up on a little sitting and her with a little something. Not even a little something, a great something. Come never go say little. Great. That 25 years. 25 years no normal. Time that by 365 days. Zine, by 25. Yeah, man. Working days and nights out. And she work hard because you don't know. Spice, the song them for the girl them. The sang them for the gangster them. Yeah. And the bad girl sang them. And she stand up and she represent. You know what I mean? And it's not just one set of song or one type of song. It's a whole lion lager song. Lioness. Yeah. Different topic, different vibration. And then I don't know on the personal side of her life, she have been through a lot. You know, a lot. Taking care of her youths, relationship scenarios with friends, talk show scenarios. You know what I mean? So she just go and mind her business right now. See people business and loud and I go and mind for your own business. And when we are talking about mining, we are talking about like a gold mine. When you leave people business alone and mind your own business, you will make a piece of food or a bigger piece of food. Or your life even change too. So love people business and mind your business. So Spice, big up yourself, 25 years journey. Wow. And she shout out to everybody, every supporter, every individual who did it along the journey. Zin, and she reflect on the hard work what she put in at the business. You see me I say? And now she's reaping the reward. So she'll make a no straight. Say, listen to me. Dedication. Yeah, man. There's a lot of highs and lows. But perseverance, a fear fuel. And that me see. And that she use and I win them right now. Spice, pick up yourself. 25. ears.
Guys, I will not be posting any more of my personal life on social media. I never used to do it. I'm just in a season where I'm just happy and carefree and I live my life. But honestly, from them use the AI, something, freeze the video frame, use the AI and take off the emoji off of the man face and send it go over the blogs. Me should have did just snip it in at the bud from there, but I didn't want dirty people to feel like them win.
Oh, people wicked, sir. Oh, people wicked, sir. Well, Tifa make on know say she not post nothing more on social media. As you all know, that she was proposed to in recent days. So, life look happy for Tifa. You know what I mean? So, making a next leap in this life, you know what I mean? You know that lovers leap there is, when I say the leap of faith. Yeah. And she posts a one thing, but listen to me. In this day and age, with this AI system we are go around, anything is possible. Remember, you know, free speech, mouth a move. You see what I say? You about a dance, and then is another you that over there say about a dance perfectly. Or you that on stage with a big artist, as young. And all of these things are possible because of AI. You know what I mean? Artificial. Yeah, so she post a pic and then take the emoji off her face and then fling the face over one next part and it'll create some form of turbulence. No, I'm not the artist. Yeah, that create turbulence. The flight ship right now a rock. So Tifa make you know, say, listen, them people are wicked on the social media. And she nah go make because of them fear happy life. Just get sad so. Cause misery like misery. Zin, and if them are living in a misery state, she say, well, avoid all of that and keep your life happy and make everything nice and run smooth. She nah post nothing more on the social media. Either or either. Zin. So, right now, happiness the people them a deal with. You hear me talk? Peer vibes. So Tifa na dep on the thing with this social media and this back and forth, blah, 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 blah. You see? Yeah. Positive vibes only.